I think really, if you can see the bandwagon, you're slightly too late. I've been in the industry for 12 years, purveying mobile. What we're starting to see now is advertisers reacting to how consumers are using the device and the tool as a medium. So if you start to look at how mobile can actually bridge the gap from explaining how people react across out of home, across digital platforms, across TV, mobile very much becomes the marriage guidance counsellor of media.
How sort of media in mobile is evolving and the opportunities that brands have?
Yeah, I mean, there's been a deep transition. In very early days, we go back like 10 years, it was outbound push SMS marketing, which still, in my opinion, has a place even today. We then moved very, very quickly into banner advertising. So using kind of traditional sort of IAB standards that we would see in a desktop environment and putting them into mobile. And that still has a very valuable place to play in performance advertising. But we're seeing a lot more branding opportunities come in, and that's in the form of rich media advertising. So, as you mentioned, video pre-rolls, engaged in videos. You know, you can run mini games inside these ad units today, and the consumers are understanding how to interact with them. They're actually expecting us now to actually provide them with a lot better advertising units as opposed to just the 320 by 50 banner. And that's really being reflected today by the market's requirements for native advertising, which you'll hear a lot about in Cannes.
So what is native advertising in mobile? Is it the same as native advertising on the web, or is there a specific flavor that you're seeing for mobile?
I think that the description of it is very, very similar, but the actual engagement layer is completely different, and that's one of the things that as a creative execution you need to understand. So how does that actually work out on a handset or a tablet device? You know, how do we start to design mobile first? So it's no longer the case of we're just taking video rendered content for online and try to put that into a mobile environment. We need to start understanding a little bit more about how the consumer actually interacts on that device.
And so how tell us a little bit about what's on the bleeding edge of interaction in mobile devices, and where that might go, and what interactivity means or it could mean.
Yeah, I mean, we're having some fantastic conversations at the moment in mobile with the publishers directly. So there's been quite an expanse between the advertiser and the publisher in terms of how they get that message across, how those ad units are put together. The likes of Condé Nast that we work quite closely with a number of our brands at the moment are asking us, well, you know, how do we use the data and the content that we have, and redesigning mobile sites and applications around how the advertising fits within it. Yeah, I mean, we believe we're on the cutting edge of this. One of the things mobile can do and has to do is demonstrate an ROI. So in terms of, you know, how you track a consumer in a cookieless environment, which works arguably across mobile web, but not in-app and back again, you need an attribution system which has again been designed mobile first. So we've got a global ad serving partner which enables us to track from every publisher to every creative, all the way through to a basket size or a store uplift or a car test drive.